guys, what's going on, man? You're tuned into Click React, and today we're going to be looking at a video, and it's titled Elite Lifters Hype Up Strangers in the Gym. And this is really good because, there's a lot of people in the gym that are uncomfortable, and, people that you can see that have visibly been doing this for a long time and are giving you, instructions and hyping you up, making you feel like, you're one of them, you're not out of place, is a really good thing to see. So I'm just going to be reacting to that today. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that sub button, man. Drop a like and let me know what you would do if one of these lifters came up to you to hype you up, because one of these guys, he smashed his PR by a mile just because he had a little support. So it shows how a little can go a long way, man. So we're just going to get right into it. I'll see you guys later.
Wants to go for PR.
What's the best way to kickstart your New Year's?
Let me see. Spoon, John, Colin, 220, 350, 230. Some big guys, obviously. 5'9", 6'4". That 6'4" guy is a fucking beast, man. 150, 350 pounds. Jesus Christ. Do you know how hard it is to maintain that type of size?
Resolutions? How about having some seasoned lifters
Power
show
lifter
up at your
shit.
gym ready to hype you up and help you crush your workouts? It's the Monday after New Year's at this commercial gym as I join forces with my friends John and Spoon to start the day off with a friendly bench press.
Oh, this
challenge.
gym is packed.
One of spreading positive support to our fellow gym goers, both new and returning. And let me tell you, the reactions
Good
were
vibes,
totally
man.
unexpected. As we go heavier, things start getting serious.
315. 315 has always been my goal. I was able to push 300 a while back, like years back, when I was like, really in shape and stuff. But that's still gonna be one of the goals eventually, if injuries and everything stay dormant.
And it's time to chalk up. Spoon is fascinated as he has never tried liquid chalk
Liquid
before.
chalk.
It doesn't leave messy residue all over gym like normal chalk, but most importantly, it improves grip. What is much needed in his sets to come as we start entering full-foot territory.
Boom.
Big Johnny Green disrespects 405 for a long pause, letting that
Boom.
weight take a much-needed break.
I mean, he is 300 and something pounds, so that's literally only, not saying it's not crazy, but it's 100 pounds over him.
Spoon takes that same energy to my surprise and pauses as well. Spoon is primarily a bodybuilder, so that was very impressive, and also his max for the day.
My chest started to twitch just looking at this. Big dog shit, eh? And this is where it really gets challenging, more challenging for him as a 350-pound guy. It's 150 over his weight now, so 200, 300 over his weight, that's crazy, if he gets to that. Shit's bending the bar, man.
As the gym starts to fill up, Johnny and I start to power up. It's time for
I said
the
power
main
up.
event.
Damn, this is very impressive for him. I think he's like 230. Yeah, that's
The lift
crazy.
was rough and it felt heavier than normal, but I'll take the max for the day.
100%.
It's time to pass it to Johnny, who just did 225 for a max rep challenge. Let's see what he got.
So this is like, it's 200 over his body weight, so that's impressive for sure.
Amazing. Smiles all around as we move to round 2 for hyping people up at the gym.
Wild.
Introducing ourselves to a stranger bench pressing, our intention was to help him break some personal records.
Oh, this nigga looks scared. I ain't gonna lie.
Little did we know, this session was going to be unlike any other.
That's so
Let's see what
stupid.
this guy's got with the assistance of Spoon and me. Aiming for 3 reps, that was going to be a record for him. Let's see what he got. To all of our surprise, he blasted through 3.
And this was his,
Spoon calls an audible. It's now 5 reps.
yeah, this was his PR.
We noticed that
That's the thing, like when somebody's there, even to spot you, it's like such a big lift, because the safety net is there, so you don't feel as scared of the weight. You know what I'm saying?
way more in him. Spoon with the assist as we encourage him to keep pushing. With very minimal spotting, he pushes out another 3 for a total
Crazy.
of 8.
And that was his PR before.
The members of the gym watch on. You can tell it's rubbing off on them. In the beginning, he was hesitant on going for a 1-rep max. With new gained confidence from his last set, it's time to see what a 1-rep max looks like.
Oh, easy. That's not his 1-rep max. He literally hit him 225
The
easy.
nerves were kicking in. 2 plays for him, it was a big deal.
He's never dreamed of it, eh? This is really nice
I
to see.
knew what it felt like to touch weight you've never handled before.
Yeah, for sure.
So I decided to give him some weight.
No pep talk. 100%. I always tell people this shit, man. When you pushing weight, you gotta be angry at this shit, man. You can't. It's so if you're pushing yourself that hard, no way you can be smiling and doing it, because then it's easy. You can do more. Get that core locked in, my boy. You see what he did though, which is something I always tell people not to do, and this is what, especially when you have a spotter. When you don't have a spotter, I get it, but don't start looking at the rack to see if you if it's close enough for you to drop it. You know what I'm saying? Focus on pushing through. Yeah, bro. Easy work. That's good, man. That's
Feeling
really
for him
good to see.
was like unlike any other.
That boy feeling his shoulder though. You're like,
There's nothing quite like seeing another man break what he thinks is impossible. He told me that this was his New Year resolution by the end of the year. Well,
shit.
looks like the holidays came
End
early
of the
today.
year. Boy about
because
to
the
be
bar
hitting
has been set
315
higher.
real quick.
But we are not done yet. I noticed one of the guys from one of my viral prank videos. The video where I pretend to fail 405 pounds and then play around with it with bicycle kicks. Ended up a lot of pages like SportsCenter and Bleacher Report, which is really cool. So it was great to connect with him again. I get this question a lot, so I might as well address it here. The standing ovation I got was unexpected. It was not planned. They were doing lateral raises, so I asked if they all were doing so, and they said, well, now that you're here, yeah, we are. What preceded was a sight that I never thought I would ever see in my life. It was pretty funny to see a whole line of guys doing lateral raises all at once.
Yeah, I've never seen
The
this
lateral
before.
head of the shoulder or the middle section
Low-key,
of the
these
shoulder
guys
that
lift
gives you
more than
that
I do.
wide appearance is normally neglected. Well, today
I
I
ain't
know
doing
it
lateral
wasn't for
raises with
these
35s.
kids. I hand out a few water bottles and I call it a day. The lesson I want you guys to take away is that even if you're experienced, there is a newbie coming up. We all started somewhere.
100%.
But the most important thing, we're all part of this gym community and we could all use a little bit of extra help.
True,
See you guys in the next video.
Really good. That's really good to see, man. Guys, if you enjoyed that video, man, please drop a like and let me know what you would do if you got this type of motivation, you know? Because some people don't like being bothered, regardless, new or old lifters. Like, you know what I mean? They're there to focus and stuff like that. Me personally, I look at the ground most of my time in the gym if I'm there, because I just don't want unnecessary talking. I'm there to work out, you know what I'm saying? But that doesn't mean I'm an asshole. I just have something to do, and that's my goal. That's the type of person I am. But appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.